Even during Morris time, hindi ginawa to. Even during Morris time, the Longga did not allow. We're gonna walk him out. You can arrest him right outside.
That's too much.
Respect the institution. This is not about Tikoy. We're going out. No, don't leave him. It's right here. He can be arrested right there. So if you don't want him to make a statement there, sir, just outside the gate, we're gonna walk 5 minutes. This is the Senate of the Philippines. It's never been done. It's never been done. Salonga stood up for Enrile. That's ang kalaban si Cory. Ang kaso, rebellion. Anong ginawa? They walked out. We're just asking you to walk out. But let's walk. Let's walk. You're in here. Right now. This is the Senate.
Sir, I'm especially asking you.
Sir, this is the
The
Senate.
last person you haven't